Ready to move your Tron TRX from Bybit to another wallet with ease and confidence. First, log into your Bybit account and locate the Assets or Wallet section. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the screen or within the navigation menu. Click on it to access your various wallets. Now, find TRX in your list of assets. You might need to scroll down or use the search bar to quickly locate it. Once you found TRX, click on the Withdraw button next to it. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Here, carefully enter the recipient TRX wallet address in the designated field. Double-check this address to ensure its accuracy, as mistakes can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Next, confirm that the network is set to Tron TRX. Bybit will often automatically select the correct network, but it's always wise to verify. This is crucial for ensuring your TRX reaches the intended wallet. Enter the amount of TRX you wish to withdraw. Keep in mind any minimum withdrawal amounts or transaction fees that Bybit may charge. These details are usually displayed on the same page. After entering all the details, click the Confirm or Submit button. You'll likely be prompted to complete a security verification step, such as entering a 2FA code sent to your phone or email. Complete this step to authorize the transaction. Once confirmed, you'll see a transaction confirmation screen. Your withdrawal is now being processed. It might show as pending or processing initially. The time it takes for the transaction to complete depends on network congestion, but usually, it takes a few minutes. You can track the transaction status on a Tron blockchain explorer using the transaction ID provided by Bybit. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your TRX will be available in your recipient wallet.